Bees aren't just buzzing pollinators, they're also surprisingly good mathematicians. Scientists have discovered compelling evidence that honeybees possess a basic understanding of numbers, a concept known as numerosity. Let's explore the amazing research that reveals their counting capabilities. One of the earliest clues came from studies on bee navigation. Researchers noticed that bees could learn to find food sources located a specific number of landmarks away from their hive. For instance, they could be trained to find food after passing 3 prominent markers. This suggested they were not just memorizing the landmarks themselves, but also the number of landmarks. Further experiments solidified this idea. Bees were trained to associate a food reward with a specific number of visual elements, such as shapes or patterns, on a display. When presented with different displays, they consistently chose the one with the trained number of elements, even if the arrangement of those elements changed. This demonstrated they were recognizing the quantity, not just the specific visual configuration. But it gets even more interesting. Studies have shown that bees can perform basic arithmetic, like distinguishing between more and less. When trained to associate a reward with a smaller number of elements, they could then correctly choose the smaller quantity, even when presented with new numerical values. This indicates they grasp the concept of numerical order. Perhaps most remarkably, bees have even shown an understanding of zero. In experiments where they were trained to choose the smaller quantity, they correctly identified an empty set as representing 0, even when presented with other numerical options. This is a sophisticated cognitive ability previously thought to be limited to vertebrates. These findings paint a fascinating picture of bee intelligence. While their numerical abilities may not be as complex as human math, they demonstrate a fundamental understanding of quantity and numerical relationships. This research not only expands our understanding of insect cognition, but also provides insights into the evolution of numerical abilities across the animal kingdom.